Hi, now we are going to see about animal cell and a detailed pictorial representation about the parts and how what are they. And we have a very outer plasma membrane and inside we have the cytoplasm and nucleus. So coming to the cytoplasm is nothing but cytosol as well as these cytoplasmic organelles together we call it as cytoplasm. And we have the very important mitochondria. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell which will generate the ATP with cellular respiration. And next we have the microtubules and microfilaments. These are for the cytoskeleton which helps to maintain the cell structure. And centrosomes. These are the no membrane bounded cell organelles which helps for the spindle formation during the cell division. And next lysosomes which have the hydrolytic enzymes which splits the carbohydrates, proteins, lipids and nucleic acids. And next, smooth endoplasmic reticulum as well as rough endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is for the lipid synthesis and steroid hormone synthesis. And the rough endoplasmic reticulum, because of the presence of the ribosomes, we call it as rough. Because of the absence of the ribosomes, we call it as smooth. So rough endoplasmic reticulum is concerned with the production of proteins. And whatever the synthesis of smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum is being sent to the Golgi apparatus for packing. So Golgi apparatus is insisted for the packing of the proteins and lipids into glycolipids, glycoproteins, and later it being transported in a form of Golgi vesicles. So altogether we call it as Golgi apparatus. And next we have the secretory vesicles. So whatever the cell contents inside is being transported to outside through the secretory vesicles. Next, peroxisomes, which will convert the hydrogen peroxide to water and oxygen to hydrogen peroxide. The very thickest membrane cell organelle is nothing but peroxisome. And next, vacuole. Whatever the contents are not needed for the cell is being transported to the vesicles like minerals, ions, food, water, etc. And altogether we have the nucleus, so which we also call it as brain of the cell. Inside the nucleus we have the chromatin material and nucleolus, and altogether it is bounded by double membrane, so which is directly connected with the rough endoplasmic reticulum, so which in turn for the transport of DNA, RNA and proteins through the nuclear pores and concerned with the protein synthesis, which is very important. So proteins we also call it as building blocks of our body. So that's it. And we have forgot one more about the ribosomes. Ribosomes are nothing but a no membrane bounded organelles which in turn helps in the synthesis of forming a polysomes and the mRNA for the translation of mRNA coding into proteins. So okay, thank you. That's it.